What?
And action.
What do you mean action?
Action.
This isn't a movie set, Kaylin.
Are you joking right now? Finally did it right.
Well.
You're just having some bonding time with Tiger? Or?
Yeah. Yeah. He's a real big help when I'm out here. Would you look at him though? Like, he is just a specimen.
Put him down.
Don't let those boyish good looks fool you though. He is a killer. King of the jungle.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Anyway, why were you out here, just to love Tiger? Or?
Well, that and I'm trying to get the quad fixed again.
What'd you do to it?
Well, it turns right really well. Mm-hmm. But then when you go straight, it kind of wants to die. And then don't turn left.
So you can just go right in a circle.
Yeah.
It's not very good for
So I've got a
snow.
broken wire because it dies. And I think it's in this
Vicinity?
quartile. Yeah, quartile right there. Something's broken or loose in there, so I'm trying to pull it apart. But this plastic is like a jigsaw puzzle. It's harder to get the plastic off than actually fix the... Yes, buddy, I know. We're trying. We're trying. But yeah, I'm trying to get that done. Because we are not done with moving snow quite yet.
I don't know. Looks like everything's melting right now.
Well, and see, that's a mistake a lot of people make, Kaylin. Because as you know, most of the world has 4 seasons.
Yeah.
Western Canada can have anywhere from 6 to 12.
Is that right?
Yeah. So we've just made it through our first winter.
Yeah.
And we're coming to the end of fake spring.
Oh.
And the thing is, I just broke my glasses.
Time to stop at the co-op.
Oh, I paid $7 for these.
Well.
Yeah, so we're just at the end of fake spring. And the thing that gets people is there can be more than one fake spring.
Could there be 2 fake springs?
There could be 2 fake springs.
Could there be 3 fake springs?
It's a possibility.
Could there be 4 fake springs?
I could see that happening. So yeah, we need this thing working again. So yeah, we're in a different shop today, and
Our home base.
yeah, in the leaking roof and the muddy floor, and
Yep.
and yeah,
And your best friend, Tiger.
and Tiger. It makes it all better. Yeah. He is a good cat. I like that cat.
Why is the cover all open?
The coverall is open because I was kind of sniffing around.
Pretty sure Mavis hasn't seen sunlight in a few months.
No, it's seen cats though. There's cat paws all
Yes,
over.
there is.
So we had a bunch of parts show up, and some of them are for this thing. So pretty soon, we're gonna get our 77 C10 back on the
Hey,
channel.
Tiger was there helping out too.
Yeah, he's everywhere. He's everywhere and nowhere all at once.
Yep.
So,
So what did you get for it?
we got some sheet metal because basically the truck is split in 2. There's not much of a cab there. It's more rust than cab.
Yep.
That sounds like a kitten. Do we got kittens
No,
back there?
that's just Sparkle.
Oh, good. Yeah, so I got some sheet metal to kind of put her back together. Still got some carb issues with this thing that I'd like to figure out once and for all.
Think she's gonna start?
Not right now. It didn't start on July 26th. It's definitely not going to on February 14th. Happy Valentine's Day, by the way.
Yeah, I guess so. Hey. Happy Valentine's Day.
But yeah, this guy's coming up on the channel. Oh, my racing tape is coming off.
I'll have to redo that.
Gonna have to up the budget for that, I think.
An extra 30 cents.
Yeah. We've gotten a couple road trips in with the Grand Pala already.
We did, yep. Saskatoon twice.
Saskatoon twice. So yeah, that's about 500 kilometers each way.
Yep. Did pretty
350
good.
miles. It did good. It's loud now.
Yep, because you broke the exhaust.
I broke
so
the exhaust.
we
But I kind of
definitely
like
make
it.
an entrance.
I kind of like it.
I do not.
It's like a race car. It's basically a race
It
car.
does not sound like a race car.
Yeah, it's basically a race car.
No, it
0 to
just
60,
sounds like a broken exhaust.
0 to 60 and like it'll get there.
Yeah.
Quarter mile, and why are you rushing me?
Yeah.
No, but it's doing pretty good for a $1,200 car. I'm pretty happy with it, but we do have to fix that exhaust. It is kind of obnoxious.
It is very obnoxious. I agree.
Yeah. Yeah. What else? What else are we? Oh, the K10.
Oh yeah.
I finally got some time in it.
That did not sound good.
It'll be fine. Finally got some time in on the K10. We got our suspension back in. If you guys haven't seen that video, it's up on the channel. Check it out. It was a pretty good one, I think. But we found probably more problems than we fixed. We got brake work and drivetrain.
Not brake work. You need brakes. There's no brakes.
Right, you are, Kaylin.
Yes.
We got one brake, 1 out of 4.
One
That's
solid
25% braking power. Although that one brake is worn out, so we got 5% braking power.
Yeah.
That's not bad.
I guess it could be 0.
Well,
Could
now
be
if
worse.
It goes, not stops.
Yeah. And then the Cougar too. You were working on, weren't you?
Yeah, I'm kind of picking away at that now. Hopefully, we're not finding more problems with that, but that's coming up, so I won't say too much about that one. But
Yeah.
hoping it's still an easy fix.
And the Mustang.
The Mustang, I might have found a motor for the Mustang. So the more we took that motor apart, the more it was in rough shape. So it basically needs new heads. Valve guides are shot, seats are shot, seals are shot, a couple valves are burnt. So by the time you fix those, it's going to be $1,200. You can buy new heads for that.
Yeah.
Needs 2 new pistons for sure. It needs a lot. So I got on the marketplace and I found the guy has been ghosting me though, so I don't know if I have this motor yet.
We may or may not have a motor.
I may have lowballed him and offended him.
Not bad.
I didn't think it was that bad. I've lowballed people way worse than that.
Yeah.
But we'll
And
see.
yet when someone lowballs you, you get very angry.
I don't
It's
like
interesting.
it. It's fine when I do it. I don't like it when people do it to me.
Hypocrisy.
No, that's just good business sense.
I don't think
I think is what it is. I think. But yeah, that's coming along. Hopefully we can have that on the ready to sell by spring. That's the plan anyways.
That would be good.
That's the plan.
And then maybe we can finally bring my Volkswagen in
Guy
when the
ghosted me
snow
on parts. I paid for those parts too, and he ghosted me on those. I'm starting to not trust the internet. You know, people aren't always as forthright as they seem.
That is very true. Learning that late in life,
But yeah, I hope we can get that thing running.
that would be nice. I'd like to cruise in that this summer.
Yeah, I mean, we've never had it running, so I don't know if it runs. It started me on fire once,
It did, yeah.
but other than that, it hasn't been running.
Well, because it kind of needed, a fuel pump. That was important.
Yeah, it's in a snowbank right now, though,
It
so
is.
that has to wait.
Yeah, I said in spring.
Yeah.
When the snow melts.
Yeah, we'll get to it. That's about it. My Porter cell over there.
Yep. She no longer. And the motorhome that me and your mom want to redo on the inside.
I don't understand why. Drives fine.
Well, I'm not talking about the mechanics. I'm talking about the inside,
Well,
the
you
aesthetics.
You just sleep in there. I don't
Be
think.
nice to have a working bathroom.
Pretty high maintenance.
Yes, me and your 2 daughters. Super high maintenance.
Yeah. But yeah, hopefully we can get some parts coming for the K10 because I need to get that thing out of the shop before I pull this thing in it. And I want this thing running good by spring. There's a lot of things that are coming before 4th spring.
Yeah,
So
a few things.
we got to get to work.
Incoming echo.
But I think our parts are finally getting here, so that's at least part of the battle.
Yeah.
But, oh, here comes Gracie.
And a Gracie.
Yeah, I don't know. Is there anything else we needed to talk about?
What about that other quad over there?
You sound like my kids.
Number 2.
I've been stealing parts off that.
Oh, so that's just the parts now.
No, it can run. It can run, but one quad at a time. I'll worry about
The
this.
snow pusher first.
We need the snow pusher first, and then we'll worry about
Yeah,
that one.
that's fair. Yes, honey.
My mitts and tooth.
They're probably in the bin in the closet. I can help you get it in a minute.
Well, kids are calling, so should
Yep.
we wrap this up?
Yep.
All right. Well, yeah, if you haven't seen last week's video, you can check out how we got the suspension into the K10. Stick around, check out some of the other stuff we got on the channel. If you haven't yet, like, subscribe, hit the button,
Yep, hit the button.
the notification, the bell,
Yep.
so you know when we got new videos coming out. And yeah, like always, thanks for the support, and
Until next time.
till next time.